There is pressure for the government to intervene in the ongoing impasse between Rubis Jamaica and the Jamaica Gasoline Retailers Association JGRA. Yesterday, a demonstration was held to protest against the termination of a member's license. In response, Rubis is defending its actions. More in this TVJ News follow-up.
A show of solidarity. Workers and industrial players on Thursday turned out in support of businessman and former JGRA President Philip Chong. They converged at the headquarters of Rubis Jamaica on Windward Road.
No Mr. Chong, no Rubis, because these men and his workers, them know how to approach people and deal with people. Papa, and go with the problem, that man there sit down with you and talk to you, him and his workers.
Rubis is bad for Jamaica. Rubis has been involved in everything that is bad. They have been involved in oppressive behavior, very unfair practices. They have featured in everything that is bad. They have featured in bad gas. They have featured in everything. If Jamaica will judge Rubis, they would have a failing mark.
Rubis recently terminated Mr. Chong's contract. He was a dealer of the company's water lane service station.
I do not think that we should live in fear in our country. And I really think that the Jamaica government should step in and help us. Because if they don't help us, we are going to be out of business. A lot of us is going to be out of business.
Rubis has since rubbished the allegation as well as claims made by the Jamaica Gasoline Retailers Association, JGRA, that insufficient notice was given for the termination of the contract. In a two-page news release, Rubis explained that Mr. Chong was given 60 days notice instead of the 30 days stipulated in the license agreement. The release further stated that the license granted in January 2014 to Mr. Chong to operate the downtown Kingston site was for an initial period of 1 year and included a provision for it to be terminable by Rubis without cause. The company insists the license inclusive of its terms and conditions was signed willingly by Mr. Chong. The agreement signed makes no provision for exit compensation. As it relates to the future of the operations on Water Lane, according to Rubis, it will continue to operate and will boast a full complement of staff. The termination notice takes effect January 5. O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.